this is definitely is. Wow, this is something for you to be proud of your son, definitely.
Yeah. I really
Right?
blocked this day up for him. I'm just really excited because all year last year, this was the only thing that he was doing here, and I was just really excited for it to come out. And finally, it's here, and I'm excited for everyone to see it because he really poured out his heart and soul into this project.
Ayan. Do you have any messages, Sir Piolo, to your friends here?
Sana po magustuhan yung pelikula and please support ang mga pelikulang Pilipino para po sa atin. Panoorin natin ang Fatherland. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Alright, palakpakan po natin muli ang nag-iisang talented actor, Mr. Piolo Pascual. Thanks, right? You look so young, actually.
Ako yung kuya.
Ikaw yung kuya, di ba? But anyhow, good afternoon, Inigo. Batiin mo muna, of course, our friends here.
Ayan, syempre maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Salamat sa suporta. Syempre sa pagpunta dito. At sana magustuhan niyo po ang pelikula na ginawa po natin.
Ayun, so, of course, hindi ko na papatagalin to. You tell us something about your character in Fatherland movie.
This is the first time na gumawa ako ng karakter na ganito. It's my first time doing something heavy drama. I've always been doing, love team, rom-com type of movies, type of projects. And sobrang grateful ako na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na ma-challenge ko yung sarili ko into doing something different from what I usually do.
So, what did you love the most in doing this movie? That question goes to the both of you guys.
Ako yung daddy ni Inigo sa film. Yeah.
Sa akin, favorite ko is working with everyone. I mean, Sir Allen, lahat. I mean, Sir Joel Amangan, our director. Everyone made it such an amazing experience. And I can't believe we're here. I can't believe we're finally at the celebrity screening. It finally happened, and I'm just super grateful.
Alright. So that being said, eto na, imbitahan natin ang nag-iisang, syempre one of the haligi ng mga direktor sa Pilipinas, ang nag-iisang Direk Joel Lamangan! Kilala siya bilang si Roda sa Batang Quiapo. Walang iba kundi ang nag-iisang Direk Joel Lamangan.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Maraming salamat po at narito kayo sa kauna-unahang pagpapalabas ng Fatherland sa celebrity screening. Maraming salamat po.
Alright. Sir Joel, is there anything else that you would want to tell us about the movie? If you could describe your movie in one word, what would it be?
It's so hard to describe it in one word because it's a very complicated one. I hope you will understand it and you will love it. Thank you.
Alright, looking forward to it. And now, my dear friends, of course, wag po muna tayong bumaba ng... Alright, good afternoon. True? Can you show your shoes? I love the shoes though, by the way. Nice. Ooh, that's cool. Anyhow, Miss Angel, good afternoon.
Hi.
How was your Easter, by the way?
Good. It was a quiet, Holy Week for everyone.
That's
for
nice.
us.
You went to the beach?
No, sa
Oh
bahay.
yeah, because there's lots of people.
Oo, kain lang ng kain.
Kain lang. Parang hindi naman.
Kain ng kain. No karne.
During the...
Siyempre.
Alright, we'll take a picture first then. Alright, so without further ado, Miss Angel, can you tell us more something about your character in the movie?
You'd be surprised. I play a Muslim woman. Ako yung first wife ng character ni Alan. And so, yun, bilang Muslim kami, so I have to, kailangan kong tanggapin na magkakaroon din siya ng iba pang mga asawa. So, he has another wife and that's in Ara's person. So yun, dun nagsistart yung conflict and then, basta, it's another one of Alan Dizon's character journey. So, pagdadaanan niya kaming mga Muslim community.
So one thing I've noticed about the movie talagang makulay, no? Ang bawat individual.
And it was quite difficult kasi hindi naman ako nagsasalita talaga ng Muslim. So, we had somebody help us with the lines. Thank you very much. And yun, sana walang magalit sa amin. Kasi po, we tried our best. We really tried our best to stay true to them.
Miss Angel, muli, ma'am, anyayahan po natin silang lahat muli. Panoorin ang
Maraming salamat that you are here. I hope that you help spread the word na palabas na po ang Fatherland sa mga sinehan. Sana mas maraming manood ng pelikula, hindi lang ng Fatherland, but a lot of the Filipino movies that are being bravely produced. Kasi, di ba, bigyan naman natin sila biglan natin ng pagkakataon kasi they still very bravely, did something for the industry. So please, let us support our own film industry.
Definitely.
Maraming salamat.
In short, tangkiligan ng sarili natin.
Ha?
Tangkiligan ng
Sana,
sarili natin.
dapat.
Oh, of course, it's not a joke to produce this kind of movie, right?
Kaya nga, we were talking about it, and I'm like, do they make their money back? And, di ba, mangyayari lang yun at makakagawa tayo ng mas marami pang projects. Makakakwento tayo ng mas marami pang kwento kung papanoorin natin yung sarili nating produkto. So please, let's support the Filipino industry.
Very well said indeed. Palakpakan naman po natin muli ang nag-iisa, Miss Angel Aquino.
Thank you.
We'll see you inside.
Hapon po and thank you for coming dito sa premiere ng Fatherland, and ito na, finally, we're excited to watch it.
Tell us more of your...
Yes, I am, my character here is Rudy, isa pa akong real estate agent na magsusubok na bumili nung lupa kung saan nagsasaka si Philip, yung character ni Kuya Alan Dizon.
Ayun. Excited ka na rin mapanoorin yung pelikula?
Yes, of course.
So I believe it's your first time that we'll be seeing the entire movie.
Yes.
Alright. So, if you could describe your movie in one word, what would it be?
It's Filipino.
Filipino. I love that. Alright.
Yeah.
So, anything else? Would you want to plug or any upcoming projects?
Yes, I want to thank Benjef Productions for having me again dito sa pelikulang to. And sana po abangan niyo pa yung susunod namin pelikula, Graduation Day. It's also from Benjef Productions and it's directed by Direk Dante Balboa.
Alright, so there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin muli ang nag-iisang very talented Mr. Jeric Gonzalez. First and foremost, sir, can you tell us something, a little bit lang naman about your character?
Yan, ang role ko dito, meron akong multiple personality disorder. So may sakit yung character ko dito. Kaya tatlo yung role ko dito. Isang Kapampangan, si Philip. Tapos Muslim, si Fayez, at saka si Teban, yung last part. Naging bakla ako dun sa film. So, yan, tatlong story siya. Kaya sana po, panoorin natin. Enjoy yung film. Yan, Fatherland.
Sir Alex, is there anything, was it challenging to do the film compared to other films that you've done?
Of course. Very challenging yung role ko dito dahil yun nga, alam yung Direk Joel kung paano nahirapan. Nahirapan ako sa maging bakla dun sa film, dito sa film. And sa support ni Direk Joel, nagawa ko na maayos. Yan, thank you, Direk.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat at maraming salamat na nandito kayo. Siguro panoorin niyo itong Fatherland kasi magandang istorya ito. So this is a 3-minute story from Alan Dizon and Inigo Pascual. So thank you. Siguro excited na kayo manood. Hindi ko na papahaba. Thank you.
And Jeremy, I'm just curious, like, what does encourage you to keep doing what you're doing?
Actually, this is my advocacy to help our industry kasi medyo mahina ang industry, film industry natin ngayon. Sana suportahan ninyo. Thank you.
Diba?
Thank you.
Ayan, narinig nyo naman, si Engineer Benjamin Austria. Kaya patuloy po natin tangkiligin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Muli, palakpakan naman po natin ang mga taong behind this beautiful movie, Fatherland. One step forward.